like Hawaii in America, one of the most beautiful islands in the world. However, not a lot of people know about it. If you take a quick look at the map, you can see where most of the Arab countries are. However, there's an Arab country hidden in the Indian Ocean.
Welcome to the Comoros.
African Moon Island. This is the Comoros.
I am the moon.
They're called the Moon Islands, as beautiful as the moon.
The Sultan came from Yemen to bring the Islam Quran to Comoros.
Islam was brought here alongside the Arabic language by the Omanis and Yemenis a long time ago. The French colonized the islands until 3 of them gained independence, but the 4th one decided to remain French.
Welcome to the Comoros.
This island is called Grand Comore. It is where the capital, Moroni, is located. And this island is called Anjouan. And this one is called Moheli, and this one is Mayotte, which remained French. You need a Schengen visa to enter it.
God bless you, there are 4 islands. But there's one island still under French colonization. However, that is injustice. According to international law, it has the right to join its fellow islands, the Comoros. France is still holding the power in that island. And that's trespassing and against international law. We are now in the island of Jazija, the Grand Comore Island, and its capital is Moroni. There are other islands, Nizwani and Moheli.
Moheli.
The 4th is Mayotte. However, as the world knows, this is injustice according to international law. They have no right to do that.
But maybe its residents want to be French.
That's partly true because the French tempted them with money and a luxurious life. The biggest problem is that they don't learn. Because they tempt them with money so that they don't get educated. Most of them are ignorant.
To reach there, we had to take a flight to Tanzania, Dar es Salaam, and from there, we will fly again to one of the most isolated islands in the world.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Joseph Imam.
These forgotten Arab islands, we don't know much about them. Where are you heading to?
To the Comoros.
Such a beautiful name. Comoro was taken from the word Qamar in Arabic. Its residents speak Arabic.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome on board on our Airbus 220 Air Tanzania flight number TC.
Said came to pick us from the airport. Said will be our host. You're Arab, right?
Yes, I speak some Arabic.
Great.
The Comoros.
The Comoros, huh?
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go.
The Comoros.
We have arrived at Moroni Island. From here, we can travel to 2 islands, but not the 3rd because it's still with the French. Let me explain further. These 4 islands are just like their flag. This is the Comoros flag. It has 4 stars, but the map is incomplete because there's an island that's still occupied. It's located between Madagascar, Tanzania, and Mozambique. Before we start, we would like to thank You Dictionary for sponsoring this video. I will tell you more about them later. As beautiful as the moon. Imagine your country's name means the moon. How sweet is that? Wherever you go in this country, on these islands, the percentage of Muslims here is about 100%. Imagine, this is an Arab country, but the Arabic language is kind of lost. So it's almost an Arab country. The mosques are everywhere. And the greenery, I'm really surprised with this country. It's almost like Mauritius, but with less services and less hotels because it's a bit underrated. This country is forgotten. It's close to Madagascar and Tanzania, so it's in the middle. This country deserves more than this, honestly. The Comoros, moon. A long time ago when Oman and Yemen used to be empires, the Omanis and Yemenis came and spread Islam here.
I'm a Muslim.
God bless you. It's Eid, right?
Yes, have a blessed Eid.
This part is the tomb. The Sultan who people come to find this island from Yemen. And they coming here to Ikoni to settle. This was his palace and his house. The Sultan come from Yemen to bring the Islam Quran to Comoros.
This palace was like an Islamic school where the Yemenis used to come to teach people Islam in the Comoros. That's why 100% of the inhabitants are Muslims.
Alhamdulillah.
Have a blessed Eid.
I pray you witness it for years to come.
Beautiful, huh?
The people are very kind. They're living in paradise, a paradise island. It's better than Mauritius, honestly, but it's not ready for tourists yet. The people here are so nice, though.
What is your name?
Muhammad Yusuf.
Muhammad Yusuf.
Welcome.
Muhammad Yusuf from the Comoros. The Maldives is a Muslim country, and so is the Comoros. All of it. When someone tells you I'm too far away, you respond, where, in Mozambique or the Comoros? We always say this as a metaphor for a distant place. The problem here is that all this plastic gets thrown into the ocean. Okay, nobody talks about this, nobody cares. This is the only thing I noticed that's bad, but can be improved in this island. Or they could do something about it, like recycling or banning plastic itself.
I'm with the moon here, on the Moon Islands.
I swear to God, I'm lovable. I'm in the Comoros. I swear to God.
You don't know Arabic, but he's a Muslim.
He forgot the Arabic language.
I am the moon, my dear friend.
Fly me to the moon.
First day of spring, I just wanna sing.
These are the fisherwomen here in the Comoros. The most popular job here is fishing. This profession is not only for men, but also for women here. Anyone traveling anywhere in the world, this app is for you, U-Dictionary. It translates any language for you very easily. It can translate an entire book sentence by sentence in a wonderful way. Just open the app wherever you are in the world. Choose the language and scan the image. Scan, like this. It scans and translates text sentence by sentence. Okay, it translates it in a very efficient way. It translates the text in the same place. Look, it translated it. What makes it different from any other app you might try is that it provides you with the verb, the adjective, and the noun. You must download this app. It's available on Android and Apple Store. Okay, right now, do you see what's right behind me? It's a crater, and it has a lake. We're discovering new things about the Comoros every day. This is an underrated island. This is the Arab forgotten and underrated island. Its people are very nice, but it has no services. There are no hotels, there's only two. And it's very difficult to find a tour guide. You'll find it a little difficult. It needs some improvements, because there are no direct international flights except to a few countries like Kenya, Ethiopia, and Tanzania. So it feels like it's sieged. Not a lot of people come here.
The Comoros.
The most beautiful islands. They're very mixed. You feel like they're Yemenis, Omanis, and Africans.
Make yourself at home.
Where did your Arabic go?
I really don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know. I don't know. Where did the language go?
It ran away.
It really ran away. It ran away. We're so happy that you came to our islands.
The Arabic is gone. We finished praying. I noticed some of them were dressed in black. They say that these are the elders. They inherited this from the sultans of the Sultanate of Oman. When they were here long ago, they used to wear clothes like this, the black pesht. They even wear this in weddings. They're of the highest class here. The Empire of Oman used to be here. Why is this Arab country forgotten?
Because of its remoteness, it's separated from the Arab countries, so it's far away from its fellow Arab countries. Since the country joined the Arab League in 1993, as I told you before, there have been many developments. Even here now, the educated person who's only educated in French is shunned by the community. I am ashamed now, because when I was in middle school, I used to skip the Arabic classes.
When we see our Muslim brothers here, we are filled with happiness and delight.
France tempts them. France in the fourth island tempts them with money so that they become uneducated and they remain in control. That's what they did with us before, right?
Islam entered the Comoros during the reign of the Caliph Uthman bin Affan in the era of the rightly guided caliphs. It came here through the Arab merchants, and people were touched by their good manners and their good conduct and how they impacted the community. We express our condolences and denunciation of this heinous attack that is happening during these blessed days on our brothers in Palestine. And this is our Islamic duty, because our Prophet said, "He who doesn't care about Muslims is not one."